Sorry. No, no, you don't hold them. Yeah. Yeah, don't see it.
Leave down. Okay.
You are not seeing well.
Don't rush. Just take a
Just calm down.
That's it.
That's all.
That's it.
Machine is booting up. We want to simulate the booster tank so that the booster pump can send water to the booster. Now the sensor has been removed from the
The booster is on 75 presently. The tank 3 is on 62, tank 2 is on 69, and the pre-wash is on 39. And you can see the indicator from here. The indicator is showing red. If it's displaying red, which means the washing temperature has not been achieved until this washing temperature changes to, the indicator changes to green. That is when you can get this machine running. But as long as it's showing you red, it will not wash. And sometimes as the temperature drops, there is tendency for the indicator to change to amber. And when it's on amber, you allow it to heat up to attain the desired temperature, the washing temperature. The standard washing temperature for the racing arm is 90. It's 90-95. Whereas the temperature for the washing, 80 is the set temperature. The tank 2 temperature is also 80. Then this one can be between 45 to 55, which is the pre-wash. This is the on and off button. This is the stop button. This is the start button. This is where you also control the speed. This is the OK button. This is to cancel for navigation. This is navigating to the left. This is to navigate to the right. This button is meant for setting. If you want to change any parameter on the machine, this is where you start your command, and you'll be able to see. This is the nameplate. See the nameplate of the machine. The machine is rated 400 volts, 50 hertz frequency, 3-phase, and model CMSS SAADS.